Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Maybe I should throw on a wig. I don't know, I might throw on a wig. But today, what we're gonna be doing is I'm going to clean my bathroom with y'all. This is really the guest bathroom slash Kai bathroom, but like we don't ever have no guests. So what I do is this is the bathroom I do my makeup in, and I just need to clean up in here because it's not that dirty, but it's dirty because like I have makeup stains on the sink and stuff, and I just need to take care of it. So usually I try to clean this bathroom like once a week, and I like spot clean, like clean up after I get done. But I haven't spot cleaned nor have I cleaned this bathroom this week. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to set the camera up somewhere, and I'm going to clean the bathroom real quick, and then the rest of the video I'm gonna show y'all how I clean my makeup brushes and my lashes and all that. And mostly I'm doing the cleaning part of the video so that y'all know how to get makeup off like your sink or your counter or anything like that. I'm gonna show y'all how to get rid of it and all that. I'm gonna throw me a wig too. Look at my wig. I just washed it. Look at them waves. Meow. Meow. So, I'm gonna get the camera set up and everything, and then yeah. You can use either baby wipes or disinfectant Clorox wipes, but what I like to do, because I'm running a little low on disinfectant wipes, I like to use baby wipes first, and then for like sanitation, I'm gonna go back over it with the Clorox wipes. Okay, so you see it's makeup all over here is makeup. I'm a very messy person when it comes to putting on my makeup. I'm not even gonna lie. I have stuff everywhere. So I'm just gonna wipe it in circular motion like this. And as you see, it's already looking better right up in there. Okay, so y'all see this, all this is makeup too. I'm telling y'all, I get makeup everywhere, so you can just take a wipe and just wipe it off. And I'm using a baby wipe. Just take a wipe and wipe it off. It's makeup to get makeup off, because I get makeup on my hands and I touch stuff, so makeup is always on something. And even on the walls, you can just look. I don't know if I'm the only one that get makeup everywhere, but whatever. So you see how easy makeup comes off of like stuff in the house or whatever. Super easy, right? Super easy. Alright, so I'm done for the most part. These are the brushes. Like I said, I'm about to go into how to clean the brushes or whatever. So yeah. Alright, so I don't know if y'all can see this, but y'all see how the bristles are not really moving? That means that they need to be washed. So what I like to do is I have 2 cups. 1 cup is for my brushes, and then the other cup is for my lashes. So I'm gonna run the water, and it's gonna get really, really hot. So I'm gonna let that run for a minute. And these are my lashes that I'm cleaning. And so I have this right here. This is neutralizing shampoo conditioner. I'm gonna put this in a cup, and then I'm gonna let that water get a little bit hotter. Alright, so now the water is pretty hot. What I'm gonna do is just stick my brushes in there, just like this. I'm gonna do them like this just so that makeup can start to loosen up. And this one don't really need to be washed. Now for my lashes, I'm gonna run some hot water. And as you can see, these lashes, I should have pulled the glue off of them when I first took them off. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it still has the not lash glue, it still has hair glue on it. So in this cup, I'm just gonna put water only. Hot water as well. And I'm gonna let these soak in there. I'm gonna put all my lashes in there. Alright, y'all, so I done threw on a little wig or whatever. So anyways, after I've let the lashes sit for a little minute, probably like a minute literally, I'm gonna start getting them out one by one. And I'm gonna pull the glue off because the reason I needed them to sit in the water for a minute is so that it can loosen up the glue, and I can just pull the glue off. It's easier to pull the glue off with tweezers, but I don't know what my lash tweezers are, or my tweezers period. So I'm just going to pull this off with my hand, with my finger. But to me it's easier to pull off the glue once the lash is worn. I gotta find my tweezers, girl. Hold on. So what I like to do is just brush it like this, just to make sure it's, you know, extra clean, and it kind of sets the lash for the next time you put it on. So this is a clean lash, and all it has to do now is dry. So I'm just gonna sit it there, and I'm gonna go on to the next lash. Alright, so can y'all see this? See how easy it is to just pull the glue off once it's hot. So now we're gonna move over here to my brushes, and as you can see, the water, can y'all see that? The water is brown. So what I'm gonna do, pour out the water, dirty cup. I'm gonna use this cleansing baby wash and shampoo. I got this from my son, but we don't use this anymore. We use amino because it works better for his skin. So I just use stuff like this for stuff like this. So as you can see, I just put some in my hand, and I'm gonna start off with the big brush, and I'm just gonna do it like this. And I know y'all like, girl, you just clean the sink. It's okay. It'll come off still. So I'm just gonna clean it like this. Alright, y'all, so that's how I clean my makeup area, or whatever you want to call it. That's just how I clean everything. So now what I'm just going to do is let my brushes dry. And once they dry, they're going to be ready to use. And so, yeah, I normally just let them sit overnight, let them dry, because they'll be dry in the morning or whatever. But yeah, that's all for this video. I hope y'all like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, y'all, at Slate by Tamia. I will be doing more makeup looks and stuff. So yeah, anyways, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.